Hello students, welcome in the next lecture of subject Public Health Engineering. In the last lecture, we had discussed the methods of determining the population of any city or any town, or forecasting the population of any city or any town. Now see, there is a four methods of determining or forecasting the population. First is arithmetic increase method, then second is incremental increase method, third is geometric increase method, and fourth is graphical method. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss the problem related to these methods, or we are going to solve the problems related to these methods. The first problem number 1, is on incremental increase method. Now see what is the problem. The population of town as obtained from the census data as follows. That is, the population for years, or census means for estimated years, we have the population. Now see, for 1970 the population is 38,284. Then after 10 years the population for 1980 is 49,909. Then after 10 years the population for 1990 is 67,105. Then after 10 years population in 2000 is 92,367, and in 2010 the population is 1,12,405. That is, in this problem we have given the population for the 10 years, or the population is in difference between 10 years. That is, the 10 years means 1 decade. Now what we have to find out? Estimate the population of town for the years 2020 and 2030 by incremental increase method. That is, we have the population of cities up to 2010. Then from 2010 up to 2020 there is a difference of 10 years. Now we have to find out the what is the increase in population in 2020, and after that we have to find out after 10 years, that is on 2030, what will be amount of increase in population. And this increase in population is we have to find out by incremental increase method. Now see the solution of this problem. In solution, the first step is we have to prepare one table like that. You have see the table on the screen. This table have 4 columns. In that, first column is census years, second is population, third is increase in population, fourth is incremental increase in population. That is, the years and population is given in problem. These 2 columns are the data which will be given in problem. Next, we have to find an increase in population. For find out these increases in population, we have to go from bottom. That is, we have to go from the population of 2010 to population of 1970. Now see, the population of 2010 and 2000 is given. Now increase in population means the population of 2000 is 92,367. 67, and the population in 2010 is 1,12,405. Hence, there is a some amount of population is increased in 2010 than the 2000. It is an increase in population. Now see, the increase in population for 2010 is the increase in population in 2010 minus the population of 2000. That is the 1,12,405 minus 19,367. The value is 20,038. It is the increase in population in 2010. Similarly, in 2000, the increase in population is population of 2000 minus population of 1990. That is a 92,367 minus 67,105, and the value is 25,265. Then increase in population for 1990, it is the difference between the population of 1990 minus the population of 1980, that is 67,105 minus 49,909, it is a 70,196. Similarly, for 1980, the increase in population is population of 1980 minus population of 1970, and value is 11,625. Now see, for 1970 there is no increase in population because we don't know the population of 1960. Hence, there is no increase in population for 1970. Now, next column is incremental increase in population. Now, after finding increase in population, we have to find in incremental increase in population. Now see how we can find incremental increase in population. For finding out incremental increase in population, first see the table of increase in population. For 2010, the value of increase in population is 20,038, and for 2000, the value of increase in population is 25,265. Now, incremental increase in population for 2010 is the increase in population for 2010 minus increase in population for 2000, that is this term minus this, and the value is minus 5,224. It is in minus because the value of increase in population in 2000 is more than increase in population in 2010. Now similarly, incremental increase in population for 2000 is the increase in population for 2000 minus increase in population of 1990. The value is 8,866, and similarly for year 1990, the incremental increase in population is the increased population of 1990 minus increased population of 1980, that is this minus this. The value is 5,571. Now see, after finding increase in population, we find the incremental increase in population, and we have to take the total of this. The total of increase in population is total of this 4, that is a 74,124, and the total of incremental increase in population is 8,430. Now the second step is find out the value of x. X means average increase per decade. That is, we have the total increase in population. Now we have to find out the average increase for 10 years, that is for per decade. Now see, x is equal to 1 by 4 into total increase in population. This total increase in population is for 4 decades, that is for 40 years. Now we have to find out the average increase in population for each 10 years, that is 1 decade. Then 1 by 4 means that 4 decades into total increase in population is 47,124, and the value of x is 80,530.25. Hope you all get this average increase per decade, or how to find out average increase per decade. It is the increase per decade. Average means the find out, or we have the total value of average increase. From this total value we have to calculate the average increase for every decade or for every 10 years, and the value for this is x is equal to 18,530.25. Now after finding out the value of x, we have to find out the value of y. Now what is y? Y is equal to average incremental increase per decade. X means what? X means average increase per decade, and y means average incremental increase per decade. Now see, y is equal to 1 by 3 into total incremental increase per decade. 1 by 3 means we have the incremental increase for 3 decades. Then the value of y is 2,804.33. Now see, we have to find out the population for 2020 and 2030. We have the population up to 2010. From 2010, we have to find out the population for 2020, that is for 10 years or for 1 decade. Now we can find out this population for 2020 by incremental increase method. What is the formula by incremental increase method? Pn is equal to P0 plus n into x plus n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into y. We have this Pn means to have find out the population for 2020. Then P0 means the population for previous 10 years, that is the population of 2010. Then plus n means number of decades. Then x means incremental increase, only increase in population. Then y means incremental increase in population. Now see, Pn means for P 2020, the population for 2020 is equal to population for 2010 is 1,12,405 plus number of decade is 1 decade means 10 years into value of x. The value of x is 18,530.25 plus number of decade is 1 plus or 1 into 1 plus 1 into 5. Here the value of y is 2,804.33 divided by 2. Then from this calculation we get the value of population for 2020 is 1,33,739.58. Now see, similarly for year 2030, the formula for incremental increase method is Pn is equal to P0 plus n into x plus n in bracket n plus 1 into y divided by 2. Now Pn means we have to find out the population for population for 2030, that is Pn is equal to P 2030 is equal to P0 means the population for previous year, that is population for 2010 is 1,12,405 plus n means number of decades. Here the number of decades is 2, means from 2010 up to 2030 it is a 20 years, means 20 years means 2 decades. And we had calculate value of x is 18,530.25 plus, in this formula we have put value of n is 2 into 2 plus 1 into value of y is 2804.33 divided by 2. Then from this calculation we get the value of population of 2030 is 1,50,878.49. Hope you all get how to find out the population for next 10 years or for next 20 years, that is for next 1 or 2 decades by the incremental increase method. Now see from the start. We have the given data, that is a census years and population for these years. We have the population for each 10 years, that is for each one decade. Then we have the population up to 2010. Then we have to find out the population for next 10 decades, that is for 2020, and then another 10 decades, that is for 2030. Then from 2010 we have to find out the population for 2030, that is the total for 2 decades. Now see the solution. In solution, first point is, or first step is, we have to make 4 columns. In that first column census year, second population, third increases population, and fourth is incremental increase in population. Now in these first 2 columns are given in problem. Then we have to find out increase in population and incremental increase in population. For finding increase in population, we have to give or take the difference between 2 years or 2 decades, that is difference between 2010 minus 2000 is the increase in population for 2010. Similarly, for incremental increase in population, we have to take the difference between increase in population, that is the difference between increase in population for 2010 minus the increase in population for 2000, and the difference between these two terms are the incremental increase in population of 2010. Now after calculating this value, we have to find out the total of increase in population and incremental increase in population. Then next we have to find out the value of x, that is average increase per decade. It is a 1 by 4 means here total 4 decades, hence 1 by 4 into the total increase in population. Then value of x is 18,530.25. Then next step is find out the value of y. Y means average incremental increase per decade. Here is y is equal to 1 by 3 into 8,430. That is, we have the average incremental increase for 3 decades. Hence 1 by 3 into total incremental increase is 8,430. Then value of y is equal to 2,804.33. Then we have to find out the population for 2020. For that, have the formula of incremental increase method. Pn is equal to P0 plus n into x plus n under root of n plus 1 into y divided by 2. Then after putting all values, the population for 2020 is 1,33,739.58. Then similarly for year 2030, the population is 1,50,878.49. Hope you all get the how to forecast the population by using incremental increase method. First we have the given years and population for that years. Then we have to find out the increase in population and incremental increase in population. After that, we have to find out the value of x, value of y. Then by using formula, we have to find out the population for next 1 decade or population for next 2 decades. Hope you all get this problem. For clear more concept, you all try to solve this problem. Now for next method of forecasting, we will see the problem in next lecture. Thank you.